Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we're learning to add fractions that have the same denominators or bottom numbers. Let's get into it. First of all, what does the word numerator mean and what does the word denominator mean? The numerator is the top number in a fraction and it tells us how many pieces of the fraction we have. The denominator is the bottom number and it tells us how many equal parts the whole has been broken into. Alright, just remember, numerator top number, denominator is the bottom number, and the denominator tells us how many equal parts the whole has been broken up into. Alright, question time. Jasper has 1/4 of a bag of lollies. Camden has 2/4 of a bag of lollies. If they add their lollies together, how much will they have in total? Or how much will they have altogether? So, key language there, you should pick up, it's an addition problem, and we're adding 1/4 plus 2/4. To solve that, there are 4 steps. Step 1, identify the fractions that you need to add. We've done that. We need to add 1/4 plus 2/4. Step 2, make the denominators the same. In our example, the denominators are already the same. We have 1/4, and we need to add that to 2/4. So the bottom numbers are the same. Step 3, add the numerators together or add the top numbers together. Keep the denominators the same or keep the bottom numbers the same. Don't do anything to them. Step 4, write the answer to step 3 over the original denominator. That is the denominator if they are the same. Example time. Jasper has 1/4 of a packet. Camden has 2/4 of a packet. The denominators or the bottom numbers in the fractions are already the same. What do we need to do? We need to add the top numbers together. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then we need to write the answer to adding the top numbers together over the denominator, which is 4 in our case. So 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. There you go. If they add their lollies together, they will have 3/4 of a bag of lollies. And let's look at that visually. 1/4 plus 2/4 equals what? Here we have 1/4, 1/4. So we have 1 coloured in section, which represents 1/4 of a bag of lollies. And then over here, we've got 2/4, so 2/4 of a bag of lollies. So if we add those together, it looks like this, and that makes sense. 1/4 plus 2/4 equals 3/4. Our denominator, or the bottom number, stays the same. Another example, what's 2/5 plus 1/5? The denominators are already the same. Next step, add the numerators together, or the top numbers. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Write your answer over the denominator. Our answer to adding the top numbers together was 3. So 3/5. 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Again, let's look at that. 2/5 here. We have 2 of the 5 pieces. Then we have another fifth, 1 of the 5 pieces. We add those together and we'll have 3 out of the 5 pieces. So 2/5 plus 1/5 equals 3/5. Alright guys, hopefully this flip video helped you. If the denominators are the same, you add the top numbers together. Marama, good luck.